Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is going to be a rundown of different tools which are available in DragonOS Focal. So we're looking at the first tool, Universal Radio Hacker. I have running this in scanning spectrum analyzer mode. So you're monitoring frequency of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. So this is the activity that you're seeing. I can just simply stop this and change this to this frequency of 945 mega. And clear this and start this. You'll start seeing those activities as well. So let me just simply stop this. Let's go to another tool. Just simply close this. I have HackRF Spectrum Analyzer running. Let's just quickly look at this as well. So you are also scanning 2400 megahertz all the way up to 2500 megahertz. You want to increase this scan if you want. You can do that as well, or you just want to start off from a lower frequency band. Let's say from 100 to all the way up to, let's say you want to go to 600. So you can also do that. This is known as HackRF Sweep. Alright, let me just close this. Another tool, which is a very handy tool, that is known as GQRx. Another beautiful tool which is available for software-defined radio applications. Let me choose my device, HackRF, and click OK. And hit play and change this frequency to, let's say, 935. And hold on a second. So here we go. You can see the clear spectrum. And let's change this frequency to 2.43 gigahertz. And let me stop this. You can always go ahead and change the sample rate. Sample rate is good enough. Okay. And here we go. So you start seeing that signal as well. Let me close this. And let me introduce you to another QSpectrumAnalyzer. Another tool that is called QSpectrumAnalyzer. File. So simply go here, settings. Soapy power I think is good, or you can do HackRF Sweep. And hit start. It will start sweeping all the way from 0 to 6000 megahertz or 6 gigahertz. You can see that. You can just simply stop this. Go to file, go to settings. I want to do a power sweep. I can also do that as well. So let's do a power sweep. Here we go. So you have different power sweep that is available based on their signal strength. The bands which are available, you can also do power sweep as well using this. You can stop this. You can change this frequency to, let's say, 2434 or 2400 megahertz all the way up to 2500 megahertz, and do a power sweep then as well. So you will see the power of all the Wi-Fi spectrum all the way from 2400 megahertz all the way up to 25 megahertz by just simply going into a soapy power, choosing it to soapy power. Alright, stop this. Let me introduce you to another tool which is called SDRangel. Alright, let's just wait for it to load. So basically this is just going to be a rundown of different tools which are available in DragonOS Focal. An amazing tool for increase a receiving device, add a receiving device. Let's select our HackRF, and you want to do signal monitoring. Open this up, make this guy a little bit bigger, and change this frequency to, let's say, 935. I know the signals where the signals are stronger. And then start. Play with your VGA. You can play with your LNA. Let's change this frequency to 2.435 megahertz band. So this is where your Wi-Fi is operating at 2.4 gigahertz band. You can change the sample rate from here as well. So change this to whatever you want. Let's say 8,000. I can go up to 20 mega samples per second using HackRF. So this is all with respect to HackRF. You can also transmit signal as well. So for example, you want to choose to transmit using HackRF, you can also do that, but you have to close this receiving window. Alright, there is another tool which is called SigDigger. This is another tool. We're going to wait for it to open up. So basically this video is going to be a rundown of all the tools that I have previously used. So we're going to wait for it. While this is loading, I can also start another tool. Okay, I'm going to wait for it. We can open up another tool which is called Sparrow WiFi. Not this. Go to other, open up Sparrow WiFi, and go to LS, and then go to Sparrow WiFi .hi. It will give me this window. Wait for it. Run it with sudo privileges. So let's type in sudo. I can scan different type of Wi-Fi's. Wait for it. Alright, these are different Wi-Fi's with different SSIDs which I have available. I'll hide these for you guys. So these are different 5G and 2G Wi-Fi that I'm currently receiving. I'm going to stop this scan, and I can go to Spectrum. If I want to look at Spectrum 2.4 gigahertz, I can also do that. While my Wi-Fi card is actually looking at, say, different type of Wi-Fi APs at 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. You can do a stop this for you. You can do an advanced scan as well. You can create a monitoring section here, and you can scan, and you will see different clients which are associated with different Wi-Fi. You can go to right click and you can de-auth the client. Okay, you have to stop the scan. So stop the scan and de-auth continues. Yes. So we'll try to de-auth this client. Also try to do this. So this is another tool. There are another tool called Clever Jam as well, and there are different tools which are available. BTLE in the Spectrum Glue Radio. You can do HackRF Spectrum Analyzer. I think I've showed you already on this. So basically, this was just a rundown of all the tools which are available in DragonOS Focal for you guys. I hope you like this small video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.